Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best portable tire inflator for car. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Airmoto BP198 Portable Tire Inflator, showing why it's perfect for every vehicle owner. Let's get started. Product features: compact and portable. Small and lightweight design fits easily in your glove box or trunk, ensuring it's always on hand for emergencies or quick tire inflation. High-performance inflation quickly inflates tires up to 120 psi with precision, suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Automatic shutoff. Set your desired tire pressure and press the start button. This inflator automatically stops pumping once the selected pressure is reached. Cordless convenience. Cordless design enhances portability, letting you reach all tires without tangled cords or limited range. Multi-unit display. Switch effortlessly between PSI, kPa, bar, and kg per cm using the easy-to-read LCD screen for accurate monitoring. Digital tire pressure gauge. Built-in gauge ensures precise tire pressure readings every time, keeping your vehicle safe and tires properly maintained. Built-in LED flashlight. Integrated flashlight provides visibility in low-light situations, perfect for roadside emergencies at night. Deflate function. Easily release excess tire pressure with the dedicated deflate button, giving you full control over your tire setup. Neat storage. Air hose stores neatly inside the unit, maintaining a compact and organized form factor for hassle-free use. Robust rechargeable battery. 2000 mAh battery supports fast recharging, delivering ready-to-use power whenever you need it. Pros: compact and portable for easy storage and travel. Quick, accurate inflation up to 120 psi. Cordless design for maximum convenience. Automatic shutoff for hassle-free operation. Built-in LED light for night use. Multi-unit display with digital pressure gauge. Versatile adapters for tires, sports balls, and inflatables. Cons: not suitable for large volume items like air mattresses. Not designed for heavy-duty industrial tires. Final thoughts: the Airmoto BP198 Portable Tire Inflator is a must-have tool for vehicle owners, combining portability, precision, and versatility. It keeps your tires properly inflated, enhances safety, and makes roadside emergencies much easier to handle. Stay ready for the road at all times. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product and like this video to never miss the latest tools and gadgets.